Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today is part 2 of our December crochet along. I'm so excited about this one. So last week we started the bottom. Today we're working on the middle of our washcloth. I love how this is turning out. It is so much fun. So grab your yarn, grab your hooks, and I'll be with you in just a second. Hi friends, when you look in the description below this video, there's going to be a link there that contains free patterns. Make sure you click that, check it out, and I'm so excited to see how you make them. Bye guys. Alright, so we are back for week 2 of our crochet along. So today we are working on the little face of Santa Claus today. So we're going to need our white, our raspberry color, our skin tone, and the black eyes for him. And with the skin tone, you can use any color. You don't necessarily have to use like a peach color. You could use whatever color you want. Heck, you could use green and turn him into an alien. It would be cool. But we are going to make his little face today. A lot of this will be time-lapse just because it's all the same. We're just changing colors based on the chart itself. So just follow along with your chart. I'm gonna get started on this here in a second. So we're right here at the bottom. We've got the three stitches in white, and then we start in the cream. Now the little mouth here, that's embroidered on. And when we get to the end, I'll show you how to put his little face on, his little mouth. But everything else is done in the single crochets. So we're gonna get started and start working up his little face, and we're gonna end right before we switch over to the red for his hat. So I'm gonna grab my hook and I'm gonna get started on this, and I will be back with you guys in just a few minutes. Alright, so we got our little face done in the top part of his hat, or I guess the bottom part, the brim of his hat. So we've got his eyes on, we've got his little cheekies on, they're so cute, and then we'll put his little mouth here when we're done. I want to get all the ends weaved in as we go. So as you saw in the video, and I didn't really explain this at the beginning, and that's my fault, I just forgot, but I split my raspberry into 2 different colors and my black into 2 different colors because, like I showed you guys, I'm not carrying the yarn. So I will tie these and weave them in the back. It is a little bit messier than the front of it, obviously, but it's still really pretty on the back once we get the ends weaved in. So this is the end for week 2, and then week 3 we're going to finish the top of it and make his hat. And then on week 4, I think we're just gonna do our border and all of that. We'll put his mouth on after we finish the top as well, and I get all the ends weaved in. So yeah, week 4 will be our border, and I'm really excited to show you this one. It's really simple, it's really easy, but it's a fun way to make everything pop. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.